Hello guys, I have ordered these solar panels from Amazon and I've connected them to a box. One is connected straight to this wire and these two are connected to these switches and then they are connected to this output wire. So according to our image, we can adjust that from these switches. If we turn on one switch, then one of these will turn on, and if we turn this switch, so these both will turn on. So we have total 3 solar panels. And now if you let me show you first. I've turned these both switches off. So guys, this is running on one solar panel. If I increase the ampere by turning on simply one switch or 2 switches, this speed will increase. Let me show you. Now the speed has increased, as you can hear from the sound. And now I turned off this. The speed has increased more. You can listen to the sound, but the camera can't capture this high speed. Now this is running from one solar panel, and now it is running from 2. The speed has increased, as you can hear from the sound. And now it is running from 3. And the speed has increased again. Solar panel is a green and clean fuel. We should encourage it. Dhruv does it. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe.